water leak is bad enough. But when you don't know where the leak is coming from, it takes it to a whole new level of worry and expense. If you don't fix it quickly, a leak can do untold damage and run up a huge bill. Whether it is residential or commercial, Water Loss Solutions will find and fix your leak. Our experienced team are all trained plumbers who have developed their skills to become expert leak detection engineers. Not only will they find your leak, they will aim to repair it on the same day, using the latest technology to minimise damage and disruption.
At Water Loss Solutions, we quickly realised that in order to be successful, we had to invest in equipment. We've invested in what we believe to be some of the best out there in the Severin leak detection equipment. The guys now have many years of experience in using it, so we can go about finding the leaks with a high degree of accuracy and minimal damage.
The equipment that we use provides the best customer experience.
They can detect it before they lift a floorboard or a portion of the ceiling or wherever, and that's absolutely key. Done professionally, cleared up after them, very tidy, overshoes worn, no carpets marked up, and dealt with the problem in a professional manner.
Our work doesn't end once we've fixed the leak. We will provide you with a report for your insurer, with photos, videos and sketches to support your claim. To save time, money and stress, call us to find and fix your leak today.